Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up workflow in People Central. In the system, there are 6 modules able to use workflow, which are leave module, claims module, timesheet module, payroll module, appraisal module, and the hiring module. Now let me set up one workflow for you. So first of all, you have to set up your workflow name. Give an example, we set up management appraisal. This appraisal is for management, simple as that. Now go to manage workflow group. In here you have to define which are the people going to do the appraisal. Manager, director, or you have supervisor. After done, then we go to manage workflow level. In here, select your workflow name, workflow type, and select the group name. Remember, level 1 is the final level. So as what we said here, level 2 is manager. So after manager, done your appraisal, we push to director. So director will be the final approval for the appraisal. And how do you assign the person to each of the group? So now we're going to the assign supervisor to workflow group. Simple. In here, select appraisal. Select the group name. Let's say we want to define who are the managers. So what we do, we just click on the name and click on assign. That's how you assign supervisor to the workflow group.